Oh, no, don't get in there. Say good morning, everybody. Taking a walk before it gets hot. Because it's gonna be hot later. Probably. Last week was super duper hot. You see, Daddy, he work in a warehouse with no air conditioner. So it was super hot. Probably like 120 in there. Just going our usual way up to the end, and then we're gonna turn around, go back home. Say, I missed it. I peed on somebody's mailbox. But yeah, this is our boy Rocky. Rocky Raccoon, like the Beatles song. Say, you see my face? That's why Daddy say raccoon. 'Cause I look like one. Yep, we saw him at a Petland, and he was like the second to the last one that was little window you walk up to or whatever. And he was sitting there with his back to the glass, and then he turned around. Come here, Rocky, show him. He turned around and we saw those eyes right there, and we said, yep, that's it. Come on, that's the end. Let's go. Go back. But yeah, this is our little Pomsky. I'd never seen one until that day, actually. And then I seen some video. It said that their breed wasn't around till like 2009, so it's relatively new, you know. 3 minutes is up. See y'all.